आपने देखो क्या लिखा ना, आपने लिखा कि म्यूजिक कंपटीशन था और म्यूजिक कंपटीशन के लिए स्टार्टेड प्रैक्टिसिंग फॉर द कंपटीशन, आपने लिख दिया ना।
हाँ सर, यस सर।
Are you getting my point? Right. Now the
Yes,
point
yes, yes,
here
sir.
is, what I'm going to say is to you, आप चाहो तो परसीव कर सकते हो ऐसा कि वो सोच रहा था कि उसने मैं तैयारी
Yes, sir.
करना की शुरू करूं और मैंने तैयारी कर दी. But as I said to you people, if you remember, that's something which is very evident in the photo. Don't ignore that. Anything which is very evident in the photo, don't ignore it. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, the point is, from this, I cannot say that it is exactly the picture. I got a little doubt. My clarity that you are trying to be over smart, that came after that. Don't think as an assessor on the first thing I made a decision. No. I just get a doubt. And then I can see that the story has been completed very well. And like the way a story should be completed, that it should have a final thing should be done, which is like the completeness is there, and they have done, the hero of the story has done his delivered his best. Okay. Now from there a doubt came in. Now, then moving forward, I will come to, first of all, let me talk on this area only, and then I'll talk about story by story also little. See this. My little doubt got more profound. Profound as in, this overall story you wrote the crux, a accident happened, you showed your sense of responsibility, you did the right things and everything's okay. Everything was done. But few things, see here, a person has fallen, right? The first person has got faint, and you are writing that a person is actually, you informed the relatives. You wrote it, no? Where you have written it? Here it is. See this? There is a victim. How you are so sure that the victim will have the details of the relatives also? And moreover, this is okay. Tell me, what is the point of this in the end when you say this? Later on, the rural, or what is this? Rural
road.
Later on, the road was improved to the, so that to avoid the further accidents. Complete करना है स्टोरी को, अपना एक्शन दिखाना है, but you don't have to act so good. You are trying and pretending to act so good कि जी रोड भी ठीक हो गई. I'm not saying what is happening is not right. The point is, the way I am portraying it, it is actually showing me, it is actually delivering my over smartness. Now, here my doubt was little more enhanced. Okay. I will tell you how step by step things goes. See here.
Okay, sir.
When I went forward, I will show you where I got a more bigger catch. Then coming to story number 6. Just read it again.
Okay. Mohan was on duty on the Vadodara railway station. On the day while patrolling, he observed that a man has pulled the chain to stop the train, and he started running. Mohan observed the man and catch him by started running towards him. Later on, he made the man to pay the fine for his illegal act and also tell him to not to do these types of activities in future also.
The little question just that is, which again gives me one more doubt of little more impractical. Little impractical is, अगर मैं बहुत इत्तेफाकन situation बनाऊं तो बन सकता है. How come someone patrolling at the railway station can get to see a person pulling up the chain within the train? Is it really possible? मतलब बहुत इत्तेफाक कुछ हो तो मैं कह नहीं सकता, but do you really feel a person patrolling at the station, do you really feel, as an obvious case, will get to see someone while patrolling on the station, someone who is pulling the chain inside the train?
No, he after pulling the chain, he is running out of the train. Like I
Yeah.
have. Okay,
Listen,
okay,
listen,
sir.
listen. That's what I'm telling you over smartness. How you can be so sure that the person is running after pulling the chain only? What your story delivers is that Mohan knows. Mohan is the god. He knows that he has pulled up the chain, and that is why he caught that person. And after that, he caught that person, and that person simply he took that person for the fine and on the illegal act. You have just declared it. What you are saying, then that should have been written like this. Mohan was doing a patrolling on the railway station, and suddenly he realized a train has stopped, which was there were, even though there was no schedule for the train. Suddenly a train got stopped, and then he realized a person got stopped. He started running. He immediately went. He started running. He catch hold of the person, and then he got to know that that person has pulled up the chain. And after knowing that, Mohan took that person for this illegal act, and he actually made him to take fine and all those things what you have written. आप दोनों में फर्क देख रहे हैं?
Oh,
अभी क्लियर फर्क समझ आया प्रशांत?
हाँ sir. Yes sir.
हाँ. The idea is it's not about this. आपने जो स्टोरी लिखा इसका ये मतलब हुआ. अब देखो आप स्टोरी कैसे प्रिटेंशियस बन रही है आपकी. स्टोरी में ये हो रहा है मेजरली. You know the opening has to be done in a certain way. Follow a pattern. एक कॉज बनाओ और उस कॉज को हमने कैसे टैकल करा वो दिखाओ और एंड कर दो. And you have made it a kind of a process. Are you getting my point?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
दोनों स्टोरी में फर्क समझ आया? जो आपने बोली और आप ही की बात को मैंने बोला स्टोरी में.
हाँ. वही मेरे दिमाग में था बट उसको लिख नहीं पाया अच्छे से.
वो आप जो लिख रहे हो लिख तो आप बहुत अच्छे से पाए हो, बट आपकी स्टोरीज में इट इज योर ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस इज कमिंग अ लॉट. बहुत ज्यादा ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा है. एंड नाउ आई टेल यू समथिंग व्हिच हैपेंड एज आई मूव्ड फॉरवर्ड, एंड समथिंग व्हिच हैपेंड रियली एज अ big, I would say it was a big game in the sense which really shocked me. The two things. Read your 11th story.
Rohan and Mohan were both good friends. On the weekday, they decided to go to the riverside and enjoy the evening. While crossing the bridge, they observed that the bridge was not in good condition and can be collapsed at any time. They both put a no cross sign on that bridge and also informed the higher authority to do the maintenance of the bridge and tell the people to not to use that bridge and use the alternate bridge by putting it on a signboard.
Tell me the actions which you have written of Rohan and Mohan, are all these actions practical as a civilian? All the actions what you have written in this story.
No, sir. Like truly speaking, so no.
Hanji?
No, sir. Not possible. Now I am realizing that it's not possible. But at that point of time, it was in my mind, so I write it.
Why it is happening, Prashant? Because please understand, that's what I'm saying. Your overconfidence is pulling you down. आपकी स्टोरीज की मेकिंग अगर मैं बोलूं ना, बहुत सटीक तरीके से आप कर रहे हो, बट वो इतना सटीक हो गया है कि उसमें ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा है. इम्प्रैक्टिकलिटी इज गेटिंग स्टफ बिकॉज यू आर ट्रेनिंग योरसेल्फ टू राइट देम. You're training yourself to write those stories.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
If you will train yourself to write these stories, it will not help you. And then lastly, read your blank story.
Mohan, who just recently completed his school, was not able to decide what to do in future. One day, he met one of his relatives who was a naval officer. He was fascinated by the life and experience of the officer. Therefore, he decided he will join Navy to lead a good and a challenging life. Therefore, he did BTech, appeared for the examination, and was selected to join the Naval Academy.
You are appearing. You are appearing from the naval for the Navy only. You're planning to go for the Navy only.
Like as of now, majority of my SSBs are for Navy only, sir.
Navy. So Prashant, please understand.
I'm more fascinated. I am more fascinated towards.
Listen, this I have actually told all of you. Why can't you avoid? Why you have to specifically stuff about IAF over there? Now, because your above personality simply showed me your overconfidence and the way the things were going, that in a more overconfidence from the 12th story you just proved me henceforward, hence proved that again this person is trying to be very smart enough and trying to be more pretentious. Why do you have to write it like that only? आप अगर वहां ये अगर अपना आईएएफ गोल लिखेंगे तो इसके ज्यादा नंबर नहीं मिलते. ये नोशन अपने मन से हटा दीजिए. अगर आप लोग ये लिखेंगे कि जी मैं आईएएफ के लिए मेरा ड्रीम है ये, और उस स्टोरी पे आपको एसएसआर ताली बजाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होने वाला. I have told you people a simple thing. Just to maintain your natural synergy, why can't you write something positive and progressive? Just keep that thought in your mind, which you have done till now in your life. जो आपने स्कूल लाइफ तक, अगर आप स्कूल एनडीए के थ्रू जा रहे हो, स्कूल लाइफ तक जो करा है वो कर लो. कॉलेज के थ्रू जा रहे हो तो कॉलेज तक करा है वो कर लो. इफ यू आर डूइंग अ जॉब, वहां पर जो राइट समथिंग कंस्ट्रक्टिव विच यू हैव मैनिफेस्टेड, बिकॉज व्हेन यू विल राइट समथिंग व्हेन यू हैव मैनिफेस्टेड, जिसको आपने करा है, it will speak a lot about your persona. All of you please understand this. और अगर आपने सच में कुछ आईएएफ का करा है तो लिख लो, मैं मना नहीं कर रहा. I'm not saying don't write it, but why you people are just chasing, thinking that something good will happen with this? No, nothing will happen. हाँ जी प्रशांत.
समझ गया सर. लास्ट जो टीएटी था उसमें भी समझ गया था, मैंने एनालाइज कर लिया था 12 स्टोरी. लाइक लास्ट में भी एक केस ऐसा था जिसमें आईएएफ के बारे में लिखा था.
कोई पॉइंट नहीं है ना यार. मतलब वाई आप अपने आप को उस प्रॉब्लम जोन में डाल रहे हो जहां आप प्रिटेंशियस बनोगे. मैं कह रहा हूं अपने आप को हटाओ उधर से, डू और डाई में लेके जाओ. आप फिर अपने आप को उस सिचुएशन में डाल रहे हैं. एंड ऑल्सो वन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू, कि जो 11th पिक्चर था, दिस इज जस्ट अ जनरल a simple guide, you can say an idea I am sharing with all of you. See, that does not mean that in every picture you have to talk about some problem only. ब्रिज तोड़ दिया, बंदे बैठे हैं, अच्छा खासा ब्रिज टूट गया जी, तोड़ो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. अगर आपकी परसेप्शन ऐसे जा रही है, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट टू मेक इट मोर नेचुरल, देयर इज नो नीड. यू डोंट हैव टू ट्रेन योरसेल्फ टू थिंक इन दैट वे ओनली. यार दो इंसान बैठे हुए कोई दूसरी प्रॉब्लम की भी तो बात कर सकते हैं, विच दे सॉल्व टुगेदर. क्या वो उनको कंस्ट्रक्टिव चीज नहीं दिखाता? क्या ये दो इंसान साथ बैठे हुए ये भी तो बात कर सकते हैं कि हमारे घर में, हमारे इन आवर विलेज देयर आर दीज प्रॉब्लम्स, लेट्स डू समथिंग फॉर दैट. व्हेन आई राइट दिस स्टोरी, इनडायरेक्टली व्हाट इट शोज, दैट माय थॉट प्रोसेस थिंक्स अबाउट फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ द कम्युनिटी एंड सोसाइटी. तो क्या मेरा पर्सोना और नॉन यूनिफॉर्म नहीं दिख रहा ऑफिसर? ये तोड़ना है, पहले तोड़ेंगे जी, हम जोड़ेंगे तो हम दिख जाएंगे, हमारे अंदर ऑयल क्यों है. हर जगह जबरदस्ती तोड़ने की एक स्ट्रैटेजी मत बनाओ. प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा है, आप लोग एक पैटर्न को अडॉप्ट कर रहे हो. आई हैव टोल्ड यू वेरी क्लियरली, एसएसबी इज अबाउट स्पॉन्टेनिटी एंड यू आर मेकिंग अ पैटर्न. आई हैव नॉट गिवन यू एनी पैटर्न टू अडॉप्ट. डोंट अडॉप्ट एनी पैटर्न. देयर इज नो पैटर्न. Whenever a soldier goes for a mission, he never knows. वो ये थोड़ा ना सोचता है मैं जी इतनी गोलियां चलाऊंगा, इस एंगल से चलाऊंगा, यहां से चलाऊंगा. भाई जब जो जैसी नीड होगी चलेगी वो तो. The call of the duty will ask me what to do and what not to do. You also write it in that way, which means your natural flow will come automatically. And when you have the clarity, you have been working on your own self personality with the DLQ, OLQ, or the daily life OLQ blueprint, and also through all the sessions as well, and within the community. Then when you are getting that transformation in the personality, it will get manifested automatically. वो वहां निकल के भी आएगी. बट बिकॉज आप अपना खुद का इम्पोज कर रहे हो तो वो आपकी सप्रेस हो रही है बार बार.
Okay, sir.
हाँ जी प्रशांत, क्लियर?
हाँ sir.
And so this was the major crux, and apart from this crux, few more quick, just a small things for you which I want you to keep in mind and avoid. Number one, please don't avoid using same name again and again.
Okay.
Number two, avoid using two names. There is no need for two names. Hero is only one, let it be hero
Okay,
only.
sir.
Don't make it two people. You could have simply write Rohan and his friend.
Okay, sir.
Got it? And another, you are from Gujarat.
Yeah, I'm staying in Gujarat from last year. I'm staying last 8 years. I'm staying in Gujarat.
I can realize from that at a lot of places you write Vadodara city again and again. Don't become too much geographic specific. You are in a one nation. Don't need to write again and again Vadodara. Right? You are talking about a concept of a nation. You are not talking about a concept of a community. Because when you write again and again such things, it becomes little more again. I become little more skeptical as a assessor. कहीं इस कैंडिडेट के साथ ऐसा भी प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है that he is more of very much region specific. Are you getting my point?
Sir, I can't hear you. No, sir, I was not able to hear the last sentence you said related to.
I'm saying don't write that word again and again, the city Vadodara, because when you write it again and again, I get little more skeptical as an assessor that ऐसी दिक्कत तो नहीं है इस कैंडिडेट की कि ये बहुत ज्यादा रीजन स्पेसिफिक है. Are you getting my point? So the idea is we are in the concept of a nation, so better you be that. So avoid this. So these were 2-3 small more tips for you, which I observed in your writing. So just work on that. But the major thing is what I told you initially as the analysis, Prashant. Just start working on it and surely you can make it happen. But that particular problem is holding you back. That particular problem is holding you back where you come back from the conference out. You need to work on that area because over smartness will never going to work it out. Right? So I hope it's 100% clear to you. Now just go forward and start working on this particular area, which is lacking as we have already discussed in the analysis. All right. Thank you. Anyone has any question on this? Anyone has any question on this start? किसी का कोई सवाल तो नहीं है स्टार्ट पे? I don't think so. There is any question. Okay, no questions. Fine. चलिए आज थोड़ा सा PPTD and both were lengthy, so time has already gone little high. It's 10:30. So we'll take those lecture aids in the lecture aids will be completed very early. It will take not much time. So we'll do that in the next session. Any final questions or anything from anyone's side? Okay, I don't think so. There's any question. Okay, fine.
So I have this suggestion to please start again that blueprint challenge, what we were used to earlier.
No, there's no suggestion. That will be started from this Monday onwards. It will be started. Sundays you will have all the guidelines. We have already done it. I announced it in the last session also. We are that was supposed to start from the last Monday which has gone, but from this Monday it is starting up. It will be exactly like that, right? ठीक है जी, done. ठीक है जी, all right, okay, wonderful to see all of you coming in good strength and good to see you also. Abha, I believe started your journey again.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wonderful, great. I think this time it will be consistent without leaving anything.
Okay, yes, sir.
Wonderful. Good to see all of you. Wonderful. And once again, I Ujjwal Chuk signing off from this Wednesday brainstorming session. It was great to have all of you and keep progressing. Keep yourself consistent on the journey. Don't leave yourself. And all these things that we have been talking in these sessions as analysis. just work on these. When you take it from here, go forward and do work on it, because एक level पे clarity तो आ जाता है, but until unless you don't apply them, it is of no use, right? So I must see those things which comes as in learning in the form of analysis, you must apply those in your upcoming mocks which come over there. ऐसा ना हो कि यहाँ पर learning तो समझ लिया but उसको apply कहीं नहीं करा, then it's of no use, right? So go forward and do it.